This is very important. You got to listen to the next couple of minutes of everything I'm going to say. I'm going to explain to you everything about this world and unlock the secrets of what the 12 tribes actually are. So if you studied the 12 tribes, if you understand the allegory of what a lot of this represents and means, then you'll understand that this is both a physical and metaphysical concept. So yes, there were probably 12 groups of genetic people. I'm going to actually showcase that today. But you also know that there is a deeper layer here with the spiritual aspect of it. We have 12 cranial nerves in our brains. We have 12 zodiacal signs that we, of course, have made up. But it was all based off of the image that we had imprinted in ourselves. Now, everybody understands what ley lines are, I'm sure. These are energetic signature points all throughout the world. This is essentially like the world's nervous system. Now, this is my logo, which means that this information is trademarked, so you cannot steal this. But this is how the 12 energies of the zodiac map across the earth. Keep in mind, this is not perfect. A lot of these energies are going to bleed into each other. I know that there's very blocky. Just ignore all of that for right now. Starting with Aries, of course, highly intelligent, highly intuitive, we have Mount Fuji essentially being the pineal gland of the world. We also have South Korea and North Korea, which essentially acts as the pituitary gland, because Aries and Taurus rule the mind. And where do we find most people with the highest IQ would be right around in this area of the world. The actors and actresses are generally known as Gemini and Sagittarius, and this is where we have Hollywood and Bollywood, respectively. This middle section here, just like our midsection where all of our organs are interconnected through neuroimmunology, this midsection here is where we have the four of Cancer, Leo, Virgo, and Libra. Respectively, these would be the Caucasian groups, the African groups, the Arabic groups, and the Judeo groups. And as we all know, these groups really bled into each other. They all intermixed, intermingling together. Over here, finally, we have Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Capricorn. And then, of course, Aquarius would rule over the poles, and Pisces would rule over the Pacific Islands. Now, this is what I call the cosmobiological theory. This is a theory that I've proposed and I've written a lot of different scientific papers on. This is how I am acquiring my PhD in psychology. Here's where things get really interesting, because it's essentially a woman and she is sleeping. You know, we are living on Mother Earth, and you know, the discovery of the Americas from the rest of the world was essentially puberty of our planet. Now, I'm going to break each and every single one of these down one by one so that you guys can understand my philosophy on this. So make sure you guys are following. And if you guys are preparing for eclipse season, go check out all the stuff that I have. I have services. I have a new AI app that I just developed, which tells you all about your astrology every single day. This is going to blow your mind, and I'm going to start a multi-part series on this. So follow for more, and links are all in my bio. Love you guys.